Guys, this is Ms. McSherry. I'm going to be your literacy teacher, and right now I'm going to show you how to get to Canvas once you have logged into the computer. So when you pull up the internet, you should come up to most likely Google. If you don't come up to Google, you may come to the CMS homepage, which looks like this. Either way, it's fine. You can get to Canvas either way. So an easy way you can is right up here at the top. You should see this. It's called CMS Bookmarks. So if you click that, it drops down this little list, and at the very top is Canvas. So you can click on Canvas. And then we'll go to the login portal. Right? And then you're going to click this one. We're always going to log in through NC EdCloud. Right here, it'll look like this. So if you click that, it'll take you to the NC EdCloud login page. So right here, you're going to do your username. It's the same long number that you use to log into the computer. Right? So that is your username. So I'll do mine. All right, and then I click go. And then here you'll probably have to type in your password. And yours should be CMSX2030, same as your computer login. I'll do my password and click go or enter. That might come up, but hopefully on Monday it'll take you straight here. It's called dashboard. So if it doesn't take you here, this little button on the side is kind of cut off on your screen. But where it says dashboard, you'll click it and it'll show you all of the courses that you're in or the classes that you're in. So you should have literacy for 3rd grade, homeroom, math, science, social studies. You might have more. You probably might have specials like music, art, PE, but as long as you have homeroom, literacy, math, they should be the very first things that come up here. So to start your day, you're going to click on the one that says homeroom. All right, so you'll go to your homeroom page. I'll put it in the view so mine will look like yours. And this is what you'll see. This will be your main Canvas page, what you'll use to go to everywhere else in Canvas. So when we start the day, you're going to click here for Let's Zoom, and it'll take you to the Zoom call with me and Miss Flint. All right. Other things you can look at on the page, if you want to go to your math class, you'll click right here where it says math, and it'll take you to your math class. You click right here on reading, it'll take you to reading class where your reading assignments. Down here, to do social studies and science, you'll click on these. To do specials, you'll click here. So I can do it real quick and show you where they go. So let's click math. And now I'm over in Miss Flint's math class where you would go to do your assignments for math, where you'll go to check your grades. Right, and then again, I can just navigate back to my homeroom. If you know, at the top, it'll open up in a new tab, so you can always just navigate back to the homeroom to do things. And then if I click reading, it'll pull up a new reading tab. And then here's Miss McSherry's reading class. Same setup. You'll go here to do your assignments. You can check your grades. If you can't find my phone number or email, you can click here on the phone and to contact us. And science and social is pretty much the same thing there. Just it'll take you to that class where you can do your assignments. And then specials, you click specials. And then here you'll have your special area classes, whichever day that you have, you can click it and it'll take you there. I don't have access, but you will because you're in the class. I'm not. So that is how you get to Canvas. If you have any questions, of course, call or text me or Miss Flint, and we'll be happy to try to help you out. Otherwise, can't wait to see you guys on our Zoom.